Hello and welcome to this week's Random Engraving Wednesday. This week's video comes from a comment on a previous video. Shout out to Pat Lant for the suggestion. So to start any engraving, I need to create artwork or download artwork. I downloaded this artwork from freepik.com. A free pick has thousands of vector artwork for free as long as you give the artist credit. So I'm actually going to take this artwork and pull it apart and edit it to make it more laser friendly. So I'm going to turn this piece into grayscale, which tells the laser to engrave either shallow or deep. There's more to it than that, but this is just an easy way to explain it. And magic happens. Boom. So you see here I have two different pieces, and I have a ring that has some gradient to it that's gonna create a nice little dish. And you can see I added some rope around the outer edge as well, and we're gonna see how that turns out. A few years ago I bought about 50 of these scrapped M14 gun stocks for testing. Each was made from American walnut. So here I am doing some cleanup before engraving. And a little bit of setup. And here we go. And as I mentioned before, I split this artwork into two engravings. This second pass is for adding stars and more depth around the edges. And here it is. This is right after engraving, so it will need a bit of cleanup before finishing. But you can see how the gradient around the edge made a nice dish effect to add to the 3D look.